Expanding double brackets is similar to expanding single brackets, but the key difference is that instead of multiplying a single term by everything in the bracket, you instead need to multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. This method is essential for simplifying expressions and solving equations. Make sure to watch to the end to see an example of how expanding double brackets can be used to answer an exam question. To help you remember that when expanding double brackets, you need to multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket, you can use the anagram FOIL, which stands for first, outer, inner, and last. This means you multiply the first terms in each bracket, then the outer terms, followed by the inner terms, and finally the last terms, ensuring that you don't miss any terms when expanding. Here's an example. To expand this expression, start by multiplying the first terms in the brackets together. X times x equals x squared. Next, multiply the outer terms. X times 5 equals 5x. Then, multiply the inner terms. 3 times x equals 3x. Finally, multiply the last terms. 3 times 5 equals 15. The final step is to simplify this expression by combining the like terms 5x and 3x to get 8x. So the final answer is x squared plus 8x plus 15. Here's another example. First, multiply the first terms. 2y times 6y equals 12y squared. Then, multiply the outer terms. 2y times minus 4 equals minus 8y. Next, multiply the inner terms. 1 times 6y equals 6y. Finally, multiply the last terms. 1 times minus 4 equals minus 4. You can simplify this expression to get an answer of 12y squared minus 2y minus 4. Here's the final example. Once again, start by multiplying the first terms. X times x equals x squared. Then, multiply the outer terms. X times minus 7 equals minus 7x. Next, multiply the inner terms. 7 times x equals 7x. Finally, multiply the last terms. 7 times minus 7 equals minus 49. This expression can be simplified to get a final answer of x squared minus 49. These types of double brackets are known as a difference of two squares because the middle terms cancel each other out, leaving only the square of the first term minus the square of the second term. Here's an example of the type of question that you might see in your exam. Press pause and have a go. Once you're ready for me to go through the answer, press play. The answer is 10x squared minus x minus 2 centimeters squared. To get to this answer, start by putting the two expressions into double brackets like this. Now you can expand these as you normally would to find the area. First, multiply 5x by 2x to get 10x squared. Then, multiply 5x by minus 1 to get minus 5x. Next, multiply 2 by 2x to get 4x. And finally, multiply 2 by minus 1 to get minus 2. This can be simplified to get 10x squared minus x minus 2 centimeters squared, which is the area of the rectangle. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comment section, and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.